Hey everyone, welcome back to Health Boost. If you've been dealing with bloating, indigestion, fatigue, or even brain fog, your gut might be trying to tell you something. Today, we're diving into supplements for healing your gut. Simple, science-backed options to help you feel better from the inside out. Let's get into it. Why gut health matters? Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's linked to your immune system, mood, energy levels, and even your skin health. A damaged or imbalanced gut can lead to symptoms like gas, bloating, food sensitivities, constipation, or even anxiety. That's why supporting your gut with the right supplements can make a huge difference. Top supplements for gut healing. Probiotics. First up, probiotics. These are live bacteria that help balance the good and bad microbes in your gut. A daily probiotic can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and even boost immunity. Look for strains like Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium. Choose high-quality brands with multiple strains and at least 10 billion CFUs. Prebiotics. Next are prebiotics. These are the food for your probiotics. They help the good bacteria thrive. You can get them from foods like garlic and bananas, or take a supplement like inulin or FOS. L-Glutamine. L-Glutamine is an amino acid that helps repair the gut lining. It's especially helpful if you have leaky gut, IBS, or after taking antibiotics. It strengthens the intestinal wall and helps reduce inflammation. Digestive enzymes. If you often feel heavy or gassy after meals, digestive enzymes might help. They break down proteins, fats, and carbs so your body can absorb nutrients better. Especially helpful if your digestion feels sluggish. Zinc carnosine. Zinc carnosine is a lesser-known but powerful supplement that supports the stomach lining and helps reduce inflammation, great for people with ulcers or frequent heartburn. Collagen. Collagen, especially types 1 and 3, can help rebuild the intestinal wall. It's also great for your skin and joints. How to start? You don't need to take everything at once. Start with a probiotic and L-Glutamine, then add others based on your needs. Always read labels, follow dosage instructions, and most importantly, talk to your doctor, especially if you have a medical condition or are on medication. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more wellness tips, and let me know in the comments. Have you tried any of these gut healing supplements? I'd love to hear your experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video!